Alright guys, it's a quick one. I've got this smoke detector in the house. Well, you've heard it, it's been chirping like that. And you can actually, we use this as an interval to measure how often it's doing that. Well, it's been chirping, not good noise, it's really annoying. Got rooms here, 2 rooms on this floor, and hearing that is not really great. So we're going to learn how to change it. Sometimes actually, if you read this, sometimes people pause the smoke detector. Maybe they're cooking in the kitchen and there's smoke and it's going on. So they press that button here. Oh, that's another one. Oh, let's see what that is. So you press that to mute it, and then it could cause it to chirp. But on this occasion, I haven't, and it's still chirping. So it has to do with the battery. If it's not the battery, if you put the battery in and it's still chirping, then you have a big problem. You have to change the whole unit, most likely. Anyway, let's go with this one. So you need to open this. So this is, so twist, 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 and that will come out. And then you get something like that. So let's get up. As you can see, so you've got the wire coming in to some pin, and then it goes into, and that's how it connects to that. So that's the holder, wire comes into that pin looking thing, and then it gets connected. Actually, don't do this with the power on, not really safe. So let's take this out, okay? Just gonna climb up. All right, what do you have here? So, like I said, this is what you have. And then you can just take this out by holding this and getting that out. You can do it with one finger, but that will just come out. It's just like a slotting. Okay, I've taken it out. See, that just slots into that. So now that you've taken this out, you can take this away. You can still hear it chirping, so we'll see how many seconds interval that is. So let's take this somewhere where you can use something to take it out. So that's the battery, and this specifically says use a Duracell Mike November 1604, Mike X-ray 1604, everyday black. So it has a list of batteries, good peak. Test the alarm for correct operation using the test facility whenever the battery is replaced. Do this before turning on the main supply. Okay? Okay, so turn off the main supply before doing anything, guys. So you can open this. I think this has been opened before. Look, there should be a screw there, which is where I had the screwdriver. So probably somebody has tampered with this one before, forgot the screw or lost it. But it still works. All you have to do is open this, and then you've got the battery. So that's the battery I have in there. And let's see if I can take that out. So normally this would be all right. You've got this red kind of clot here, and if you push that, if you pull it, it should bring out your battery. Okay, right. Okay, so there you are. And then all I can do is do that. So actually, you don't even have to do that. You can put this here. So I'll just take this here. All right, let me take it out. It's not easy to do it with one hand. Okay, battery is out. So all you have to do is take this off. That comes off. And then you've got the battery. So this is what you need to replace. This will be out. I think this is actually what came as it was bought. Oh no, not for resale, retail resale. Maybe not. But anyway, there you go. So I'm gonna change this battery, and then we'll try and see whether it's still chirping or not. Okay, see you guys. Okay, so I've got the Duracell. And this is the Duracell 9 volts. It's the 9 volt one, and it has a number. It's actually the same one here. So it's the Duracell Mike November 1604, and it's one of the ones that Data recommends. Duracell Mike November 164, or Mike X-ray 164. So I've got that one. So I'm just going to open that again. You know, I've opened that. That's how I took out the battery. Okay, that's nice and open. So this is a bit tricky. I'm going to have to just show it anyway. So what you do, you got the battery that way. It goes in here. Okay, so that's in. It's really easy. Positive needs to go to negative, but because of how they've done it, you won't even be able to put the positive the opposite way. But so they've done it right. Let's take this out. You want this thread or clothing thing to be out, because that will help you pull it out in future when you need to, when the battery is dead again. Hopefully not very soon. Okay, then I'll put that in. I can't do it with one hand, so I'll just come back. Okay, so that's back in. Then all I have to do is close this. Put it in properly. That screwdriver is missing, which is not a good thing because that's not flush now. And it needs to be flush. So that screwdriver should be holding it down, and there isn't one. I'm trying to see if there's anyone I can use. Okay, so let me just put it down properly. Well, if not, I'll just put it back in like that. It's not ideal, but it's not gonna harm. There's no harm done. It's not gonna come out anyway. Okay, so that's it. So you can see those pins that goes back there. Then I should put it back in, and hopefully there'll be no more chirping. Okay, so it needs to go in there. As you can see, those 3 slots are where those 3 pins go into. Then when they're in, I just need to put it back in. Can you see that? That's where, or here. Those are where, when you're putting this back on, those things must align to it. So you can put it either way. We must align to that, and that goes in that way. So let me put that in first, and then I'll come back and show you how it goes. Well, it's easy, right? That goes in there, that goes in there. Move it in, slot that in, then you have it connected. Push it back in, and then move it. And then it's done. Okay, that's back in. So let's just test it. So that's a good test. Sound is really loud. You can tell that the battery is definitely not weak. So that's all done. Not more chirping. See, been here for a while. Can't hear no chirping. So that's done. So guys, that's how you fix it. Smoke detector. When you hear it in the regular intermittent chirping sound, it's most likely battery, and that's how you just change it. So like and subscribe, guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.